Look at this safety helmet. Right now we're here with Mark Parker from STIHL, and he's going to talk about exactly why would you use this whole contraption versus just maybe a set of earplugs and a hard hat and a pair of glasses. Why would you use this? He's the certified technical field specialist for STIHL, so he teaches safety. This guy's the man.
So when you have a whole helmet system like this, the important thing is to make sure everything's all working together. So you want to have, I prefer over-the-ear earmuffs right here because your hearing isn't just done inside of your ear, but it's also done behind your ear. So these things go over your entire ear to protect it. You want to check the foam padding on the inside of the helmets. On the inside of the pads, you can pull that out and check it. Make sure it's not disintegrating or anything like that. Make sure those work properly. On the inside here, there's a manufacturer's date right there. So
right there, okay.
This helmet was made in May of 2019. So this helmets are good for 5 years, or unless they're compromised elsewhere.
Dude, I need to replace my helmet because it's outdated.
Yes. So and you check helmets by squeezing them right here, looking in the back, looking for any cracking or anything like that. And you want to make sure the entire helmet system works together, such as the suspension. So give it a couple punches and you're good to go. I also recommend people to wear safety glasses underneath the shield, just because things can still come through this wire mesh shield and penetrate. So wear ANSI certified safety glasses while you're operating the helmet.
Nice. And then what is the shield for? Is that just when you're operating a chipper or when you're up at a tree?
So you can So this shield, it'll help keep wood chips off your face. It'll help keep debris from flying into your face, but there's still a chance a nail or something, because sometimes when we're cutting into things, there could be things embedded into the wood. You have nails, staples, stuff like that. So the mesh screen, it's something of protection, but I would go the extra layer and wear safety glasses, either sunglasses or the clear ones, in order to make sure you're the most protected.
Nice. Thank you.
Yep.
Thanks, Mark Parker. Appreciate it, bro. We're at the Weingarts Open House.